Look at this, guys. She just flew in, getting close to us. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at this. She's so friendly. Hi. Aren't you lovely? Welcome to Okaloosa Island in the panhandle of Florida. The most gorgeous beach we have. We have millions of tourists coming through in our area, which is Gulf Coast, Destin area, Sandestin area. She's so pretty. She's letting me take a picture. Look at you. You're so pretty. Wow, you're so pretty. But she's so friendly. I would assume it's a she because I'm a girl, so hopefully I'm right. Oh wow, look at you. Wow, look at you. You're so pretty. She's so lovely. Look at that. She's not afraid of me. See, I'm such a very friendly person, I think. Oh, look at you. Ah, there she is.